Oh, Trapo calling. Hi TV. The car mats are ready? Great, I'll come now. Yay, we have arrived at the Trapo Glen Mary hub. Let's find a parking. Hi TV.
Hello Leona, welcome to Trapo.
Wow, this is a really nice place.
Thank you, we're going. So, here are your new car mats.
Oh, that's great. What do I do with the old car mats?
Don't worry Miss Leona, as part of our recycling campaign, whenever you trade in your old Trapo car mats, you will get up to 15% discount for the new ones.
Wow, this is very nice. So, drop by any of the Trapo hubs to trade in your old car mats and get up to 15% off the new ones.